Leonardo da Vinci. How many of you all are familiar with that name? Not the Ninja Turtle. Yo, some hands went down. That's crazy. So Da Vinci, yeah. Mona Lisa. Whatever else. That's a bad look. So Leo da Vinci was low-key or high-key an inventor. In that time of the Italian Renaissance and a lot of other stuff going on in the world, he stepped outside. He used his creative skills and curiosity to step into other realms of invention. So one of the things that he invented was a bridge.
Middle of the map, middle of the map. City be the trap, city be the trap. Sometimes I think we trap, we ain't fucking trap. Cause I'ma bring it back every time I rap.
Show of hands. How many of you all have built a bridge before? That you can walk on. What I want you all to do is grab one of these here rectangular pieces of wood, and on the wood texture side, not the color side, I want you to write your name and one word about how you feel about building the bridge right now. And I am writing the word nervous. Yeah? Good. I got one friend at least. Nervous because I will be the one to stand on it first, and I do not want to embarrass myself today because it might not work. Okay, who wants to walk on it now? No? Okay. Can I stabilize you? There you go. Okay. So what I would like for you all to do is do this on your own in small groups. Yeah, I believe in you. I believe in you. You see how we just did it right here in real time? So I'm bouncing on, sure. So I'm bouncing on top of this. We're gonna run that back. Yeah, I told y'all. So this is what failure looks like. You just gotta suck it up and move on to the next one. They got in like 5 seconds. Gotta get the key. Yeah, they was paying attention. Sheesh. Y'all don't waste time. So use your pieces and combine with other groups now.
The challenge that the bridge posed for us, it really forced everyone in the group to work together and sort of understand each other. And coming from a group that hadn't met each other before, I think it was very cool to see how a community can come together when it's something we weren't all expecting to do, but when we started doing it, we all gave it our all and sort of worked together.
Yep. All right, y'all. I trust you. This is the ultimate display of trust.
Uh-huh.
Life is on the line.
You got it.
It's the worst piece. You're fine.
It's creaky.
You're fine.
Okay.
You got it.
Ignore the creaking. That just means it's working.
So that you can get to the other side.
Yes. Always.
Good.
Ellie, thank you.
You're welcome.
My legs started shaking. I got a little.
I honestly think that in most situations you aren't going to know the people that you're working with or agree with the people that you're working with. So being able to come from different backgrounds, different paradigms, come together and collaborate on one common goal is something that's so important.
When you do knock it down, grab your piece, and on the color side, I want you to grab some markers and write a word about how you feel about building the bridges after the fact.
I feel like it's very important for the youth, but also for everyone to just learn more about what makes a community and what working together looks like. And also that people can work together to help the environment and to help everyone else, that people are still capable of that.
We communicated with each other and we were able to solve the problem, so I feel like problem solving, communication, teamwork, all of that I can apply to my personal life.
I really appreciate that you all stuck in there. It looks like everybody generally had an okay time. These bridges that you all built are going to be downtown in a few months, for I think a few months. So they'll be on public display, and I really just want to use, I'm going to be using this to show the rest of St. Louis this is what you all were capable of. Is that okay? Yeah?
We need this. We need an artist of the culture, of the community, hosting events like this, because we can start to build a better relationship with the planet that we all live on, no matter what you look like, what your preference is, what your age is, or where you come from. We're all in this together, and it takes a collective power. So collective power that's the future, and that's the now.
There we go. I think, yeah.